Welcome to the video, everyone. Today we're going to be making a delicious birria. You have to try this. Alright, we're starting with 4 chilies, 2 anchos, 1 cascabel, 1 guajillo. We want to open and deseed those chilies. We want to get them in a pot with enough water to cover. After they come to a simmer, cut off the heat and cover it for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add a quarter of a cinnamon stick, 1 clove, 2 peppercorns, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of cumin. We're going to toast it and then take it out the pan. Now in a blender, we're going to add 1 tomato with no stem, a quarter of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, the spices we toasted, the chilies, and we're going to add a fourth a cup of water and blend to a smooth paste. Now I'm using ribeye with the bone split in half. I'm using sliced beef shank with the bone. I'm going to cover it in my sauce, add a tablespoon and a half of salt, mix well. I'm going to cover it. You can leave it overnight, which is best, or up to 4 hours. It's the next day. I'm going to add my meat to the pressure cooker, add a liter of water, a half a tablespoon of salt, and cover and cook for 40 minutes. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to chop up 1 small onion and a quarter bunch of cilantro. Now that my meat is ready, I'm going to relieve the pressure, pull the meat out, and chop it up. Now you want to dip your tortillas in a little bit of that fat from your broth. You want to get those heated up. Once you flip them, add your cheese, some of your meat, your cilantro, your cebolla, and you're ready to go. We have our taco ready. We're going to dip it in our broth and we're going to eat it. And as they say in Mexico, buen provecho.